Hello, we are Prometheus and we have made Flip Efficiency. Efficiency is a platform designed to create flashcards automatically using AI. Many students and professionals spend a lot of time manually creating flashcards for studying, which can be inefficient and time consuming. The project aims to streamline the study process by automating flashcard creation, allowing users to focus more on learning and less on preparation. So for the project overview, Flip Efficiency is a web-based platform where users can input a text and the AI will generate flashcards for them. The project covers AI integration, web development, and user interface design. And its key features are automatic flashcard creation and login authentication. So for the members of our team, I want to start with myself. Hello, my name is Mateusz, and I did the UI design and the PowerPoint for this project. We have our other teammate, which is not here with us, called Damy, and he did the backend and front end for the project.
Hello, my name is Shayan, and I'm the third member of Prometheus who worked on this project. And I did the waitlisting and all the social media stuff, so posting it online and Reddit and stuff, and just getting it circulated. And I also did the UI, so not all of the UI, but like a bit of the UI. Also did a lot of just fixing in general with like different errors and stuff that we encountered. In terms of research, so flashcards for students to actively retrieve information from memory. This improves their neural net connections and improves memory retention. We've had experience with this. We've done this in school. We've used flashcards for many different subjects, including computer science, and it's always really helped us. In terms of spaced repetition, this learning technique involves reviewing information at increasing intervals. This will improve the user's long-term memory, and this is important for when you've got topics that are early on in the term, like say for example topics at the beginning of year 12 that you need to remember for year 13. When you start learning them early on with these flashcards, they'll help you memorize them for later on when you're doing exams and mocks and stuff. The tech stack, these are different API frameworks and all of that we've used. So we use Next.js, we use Stripe for um, funding. We use Clerk for user authentication and logging in, Material UI for the whole UI design and front end, Firebase for our database to hold both users and the user's respective flashcards and flashcard collections, and Gemini to generate the flashcards and the UI itself. Challenges. One of the first challenges we had was AI usability. Since most AI models require payments to use them, so you have like OpenAI, which has the credit system where you add credits into your account and then they get taken away depending on how much you use them. And lots of other AI models use similar methods. The user interface we need to design an intuitive and user friendly interface. And scalability, we need to make sure that the platform can handle a growing number of users, as one of the objectives was to try get 100 users. How do we solve these issues? Well, for AI usability, with Google Gemini or with Google Cloud in general, you get $153 credits on an account when you create a new account. And since none of us had used Google Cloud before, one of us created an account and used it to get some free credits to create this app. In terms of user interface, we conducted many talks as a team to ensure correct interface is presented. That's a mistake. Um, it was just yeah, we just had a lot of talks like talking about the UI and how we can improve it to make it easier for the user to use, make it like familiar as well with like app bars and stuff that are like seen in other websites. And in terms of scalability, we use cloud-based infrastructure to handle user growth. Of course, with Firebase, that's a cloud-based database system, and that helps with scalability. So now for the project demo. Before we go into the project demo, I just want to show the wait list. We managed to get a total of 8 users to wait list for our app, which is a lot more than we expected because we weren't that great in social media, our ideas, or we didn't have very good planning for the advertising section of this project. We mainly were focusing on the actual functionality, so that took up a lot of time. Here we've got just the first cell flip efficiency deployment, so you can see that's been deployed with all our environment variables. Just going over the code here. Okay, I won't zoom in. We've had to. Well, this is just a clone of the original one, which was on Mateusz's account. But you can see all the codes here, all the different sign up pages, generation, all of the stuff we need is all here. In terms of the actual website, I'll need to log into my other account and go to the website. So for the UI, we chose this like really warm, inviting color scheme of brown and beige. Welcome to Flip Efficiency, the easiest way to make flashcards for your text. And we've got 2 pricing. So we've got the basic free version, which just comes with everything. And since we didn't really have any extra sorts of features that we could promote and give to the user, we just decided to make this into a donate button. And clicking this will take you to Stripe where you can donate. Well, it says $2, but it should be $1. You can donate $1 to us, and that's like an optional thing that users can have. In terms of the basic account, we first need to sign in. Well, you can sign up or sign in with Google or with like an email address. I'm just going to sign in with Google because I already have signed up before. So we'll just do that. And that will take us to the main page again, but this time you can see at the top right we logged in. And we have 2 buttons now we can access. We can access the flashcards we already have, which for now on this account, since it's new, there's just none. And the generate section where we can actually generate flashcards. In here you can just type whatever you want, whatever topic you want. So, and one feature I want to just like display for you guys is the color theming function. So when you generate flashcards, the colors of the flashcards will change dependent on what the topic is. So as you can see, since it's water, it makes all the cards blue to fit with water. If we said like plants, then it would probably turn green. And then there we go, there's our green. And let's say volcanoes. That doesn't look right. Maybe something again. Regenerate. That looks more like a volcano, yeah. But yeah, you can do those. And then once you have like a one you want, you just click save. And you can just set a relevant collection name. So we'll just call it volcanoes and save it. And here now you can see we have one in, this is our flashcards page as like we've seen before. We have volcanoes. We click on it and it takes us to the same flashcards. We can flip them, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this project. And we'll move back to the PowerPoint as there's a few more slides to go through.
To conclude our project, Flip Efficiency successfully automates flashcard creation, making studying more efficient for users. Further improvements that we could add are enhancing AI further to we can add RAG to improve the AI model. You can create a mobile version of the platform, or we can also build a community where users can actually share the flashcards with others. And thank you for watching.